Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Jan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Papa.
Thank you.
Wish.
I wish you Merry Christmas.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy birthday.
Thanks, Mom.
Tulog pa?
Happy birthday. Sabi niya sa amin.
Tumaga dun.
Ito yung cake.
Hindi niya pa nabluto.
Pare, happy birthday. Senior ka na. Saan tayo? Ayaw bang uminom? Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Senior na, meron ng discount. Lagi nang nasa Jollibee. Okay pare, happy birthday.
Ashoki, happy birthday.
Okay, happy birthday
Happy
daw.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Art. Dali, what else? Ay mo. God bless po. Many more. God bless. Say God bless. Many more birthdays to come. Ingat po. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Bye po. Ingat.
Happy birthday po, Tito Art.
Happy birthday po, Tito Art.
Happy 60th birthday.
Happy 60th birthday po. We wish you po good health, good life, and all the best in life po.
Yes, more blessings po. And thank you po sa lahat po na kabutihang pinakita niyo po sa amin and sa family po namin. And may you enjoy your birthday with your family po. And yes, wish you all the best po.
Ingat po kayo lagi.
Yes, happy birthday po
and
ulit.
Buhay po kayo.
Happy 60th birthday, Dad. We love you. Happy birthday, Daddy Art. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Art.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Daddy Art! Love you! Happy birthday, Daddy Art!
Dol, happy birthday. Ito lang gusto mo ba? Regalo ko sa'yo. Ayos.
Surprise! Happy 60th birthday, Art. And congratulations sa pagiging certified lolo. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay syempre madaming birthdays pa like this to come na masigla ka, masaya, healthy. And I just want you to know na na-appreciate ko lahat ng tulong mo sa akin, sa HOA, and yung role mo sa HOA. Thank you. And kumusta sa mga tao dyan? And also, of course, your kids and family. Hi, Ses. Hi, Jess. And your 2 boys. Okay. Cheers.
Happy 64th birthday, paring Art. At naway aging malusog ang iyong pangangatawan at maraming pang blessing na iyong matanggap at iyong matanggap. maging laging malakas para tayo makapanungkulan pa sa ating komunidad. Basta muli, happy
Good morning! Happy birthday, Kuya Art! God bless po! Happy 60th birthday, Tito Art! Stay healthy, more birthdays to come, and God bless you. Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday, Tito Art! Stay healthy, more birthdays to come, and God bless!
Happy birthday, Boss Art. Mula sa Kmat Motorcycle Shop. Happy 60 birthday sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Alright!
Happy birthday!
You are blessed. You are loved. Since not everybody is given the opportunity to reach the age of 60. Hambal gani nila kung makalapot ka daw sa edad nga 60 anyos, bonus na ina. Would you also agree with me if I say people's lives are like antiques? The higher the age, the more it becomes valuable. So on this 60th birthday of yours, my dear classmate, I pray that may our good Lord continue to bless you with best of health, increase your wisdom, guide and protect you to every endeavor that you still wish to pursue. And remember, never stop being a blessing to people's lives. And God's blessing will never cease in you. Again, happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day. Welcome sa club naton, sa club sang dual citizenship. And lastly, dapat sa 2026 sa aton nga 45th anniversary ma-attend ka na gid. God bless you, not only today but always.
Happy birthday, Kuya Art! Sana ay tumagal ang iyong buhay at laging maging malusog sa araw-araw na darating. 60 ka na, Kuya Art. Bawasan ng konting topak ang sinasabi ni Jessica. Alam ko naman na napakabait mo sa iyong pamilya. Sana mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Salamat sa mga biyayang binibigay mo sa amin.
Happy birthday, Kuya Art! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Kayo, bakit?
Ay, wala na. Nasira na yung
Pwede naman yan eh.
Happy birthday, Tito Art. Yun, salamat po lagi sa mga wisdom na sinasabi niyo sa amin pag nakakausap ko kayo. And yun, wishing you ay good health and to live more. Yan.
Puyat si Bunso, pasensya na Kuya Art. Alas 4:30 na naman umuwi. Happy birthday uli sa'yo. At sana'y makatikim ng pansit na handa mo. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Art, kasamang Art. Happy birthday. Dual citizen na tayong pare-pareho. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Happy birthday. Sana maraming birthday pa ang dumaan sa iyo.
Hi Sir Arturo, happy birthday po sa inyo. May God bless you more this year po. Stay safe and healthy always.
Happy birthday pa. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Sana may nitulo ah. Love you.
Dyan. Happy birthday.
Dahil wala Cindy.
Happy birthday to you. Inukot na naman.
Birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you.
Ay, bikinis. Kuya, pwede mo. Anong feeling senior ka na?
Nakakabata.
Nakakabata?
Feeling niya.
Oh!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good. Happy birthday, Lolo. Go! 1, 2, 3, go!
To you.
Happy birthday, Lolo. 1, 2, 3, tingnan mo.
Lolo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Galing naman. Go!
Okay.
Ay, eat na kay kanta ka muna. Happy birthday, Lolo. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you.
Lolo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Galing naman. Oh. Blow na cake. Isa pa, kanta pa. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Galing naman. Hi! Welcome! Hi!
Hi.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Mom.
You like it?
Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome.
Ito, nabog.
Happy birthday, Papu.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you, my wife. Thank you, my children. Thanks to my family for this wonderful gift you've given to me on my 60th birthday. Thank you. We love you. I love you.
Isa pang kape.